Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know those viral ads that instantly sound a little too perfect? The kind where a tiny cheap gadget supposedly replaces expensive professional equipment overnight. Well, that's exactly the feeling I got when I started seeing non-stop ads for something called the Jetterix Pressure Washer. The videos are honestly pretty convincing at first. They show people blasting years of dirt, algae, mud, and grime off driveways, walls, patios, and cars using what looks like a small hose attachment. In the ads, the cleaning power looks almost identical to a professional industrial pressure washer. Dirty concrete suddenly looks brand new within seconds. And I'll admit, when I first saw it, I thought maybe this was some affordable breakthrough cleaning tool. But once I looked closer at what was actually being sold, things started feeling a lot less impressive and a lot more misleading. Before we continue, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We are not promoting or attacking any company or product. Everything discussed here is based on publicly available information, product analysis, and customer concerns people should research before buying online. Now let's start with the biggest issue, the actual pressure claims. The Jetterix product is basically marketed as a high-pressure cleaning attachment that connects to a regular garden hose and supposedly transforms it into a powerful professional-style pressure washer. According to the ads, this simple nozzle can remove heavy stains, mold, algae, grease, dirt buildup, and years of outdoor grime with ease. The problem is, that's not really how pressure washers work. Real pressure washers use electric motors or gas-powered engines combined with pump systems to create extremely high PSI, meaning water pressure strong enough to strip away stubborn dirt and debris. A simple nozzle attachment can absolutely focus or shape water flow, but it cannot magically generate industrial-level pressure from an ordinary garden hose. That's basic physics. No matter how advanced the nozzle looks, it still depends entirely on the water pressure already coming from your home hose system. And that's where these ads become questionable. The marketing makes it look like this tiny attachment performs exactly like expensive professional cleaning equipment. Now let's talk about the advertising itself, because this is another major red flag. The promotional videos are extremely dramatic. The before and after clips often show dirt disappearing instantly with perfect lighting, highly edited footage, and carefully controlled demonstrations. Some online users even suspect certain ads may use footage from actual pressure washers rather than the product being sold. The website also throws around phrases like professional-grade cleaning, industrial power, and top-rated cleaning technology without providing independent testing or verified proof that the nozzle performs anywhere near a real pressure washer system. Then there's the issue of fake credibility. Some versions of these websites introduce supposed cleaning experts or maintenance specialists endorsing the product, but many buyers online say they couldn't verify whether these people actually exist professionally. That's another tactic that's becoming increasingly common with viral online products, creating the appearance of expert approval without clear evidence behind it. And honestly, the deeper people looked into this product, the more familiar it started appearing. Many online users discovered nearly identical hose nozzles being sold on wholesale marketplaces and discount websites for much lower prices under completely different brand names. In many cases, the only thing changing is the logo, packaging, and marketing story attached to the product. That has led many consumers to believe Jetterix may simply be another generic hose attachment being heavily rebranded and promoted through aggressive social media advertising. Customer complaints also follow a pattern people have seen before with viral online gadgets. Some buyers report the nozzle didn't perform anywhere near as powerfully as advertised. Others mention issues with refund requests, upsells during checkout, hidden warranty offers, or compatibility problems with certain hose connections. Now to be fair, some people may still find the product useful as a basic hose spray attachment for light outdoor cleaning. But that's very different from the professional pressure washer replacement image being pushed in the advertisements. So when you step back and look at everything together, it starts looking far less like a revolutionary cleaning breakthrough and much more like another overhyped internet gadget.